Welcome to my Christmas makeup tutorial. We found our elf this morning. He's on the TV center right there. Today we will be doing a Christmas makeover. I know you guys don't recognize this makeup because my mom won't let me use it. And my sister let me use her mirror. And I have to bend down to see what I'm doing because it's too far down. So, first things first, we need our foundation. Got it on my fingers. This is really just cream. If you have this, make sure your parents know what you're doing. I told my parents, but my parents came up with it. So it my idea.
What are you doing, Will?
I am putting my foundation on.
Well, I can't see you if you're laying down.
Sorry guys. Okay, next things next. Doesn't this look like a normal lipstick? Well, it's not. Just roll it up and it's a brush. This blush doesn't have a brush. Hey, that rhymed. Blush, brush. Mama, can you help me? My mom's doing the camera. I hope you guys are watching, because there will be a cool surprise at the end. And if you want to win a couple of my makeup that I don't like, comment down below. And just rolls back down. If you're probably wondering what this is, it's a lipstick. Sorry, if you see a little bit of blue, that's for my candy that I had. And which one is prettier? Smash that like button and tell me which one. Yeah, this middle one runs upside down. I'm gonna go for this one. Whoops. I'm gonna go for this one. Doesn't this look like a normal tube? Well, no. Well, bam. So I gotta get down here and lean over and get lips polished. dark, dark red. Okay. I did enough. There is something. Sorry guys, I was talking to my mom. I'm gonna go get my big sister to do my eyelashes. I'll be back. Hey, Grace, can you do my eyelashes, please? Yeah. My sister is here.
Where's your mascara at?
If you can tell, guys, I am sick. Thank you. Thank you, Sissy.
You're welcome.
This is the eyelid pencil. This is the eyebrow pencil. Can you see the difference? There's two differences. You have 5 minutes to do the differences. Did you know the differences? If not, I'll tell you. This one is red, and it's also taller. This one is silver, and it's also shorter. So for today, here are we going to use the eyebrow pencil. This was the eyelid pencil. Now my eyebrows are blue. Whoopsie! My eyebrows just are going to have to be blue. Forgetting a thing. Oh yeah. My blush. My second layer of blush too. Hold that down. I definitely look like I'm sick. Yep, that definitely shows. Yeah.
Maybe you can go over your eyebrows with the brown.
Oh yeah.
Talk about that.
I'm gonna go over eyebrows with my eyebrow writer. These are all the brushes that my mom uses for stuff. Just stuff. Stuffy. She likes to use, she doesn't like to use very much makeup. Well, welcome to the end, guys. It's time for the cool surprise. Dun dun dun. It's not January. December. Have you guys got your Christmas decorations up? Tell me down below.